Everyone, this is Kijiro Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Itong mga sa contract signing na naganap about sa Bini, and gustong-gusto ko talaga ito makita kasi kahapon ginawa ko siya ng reaction video and medyo naging emotional si Akla. So, agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. I'm really excited to watch this. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
Saan po yung camera? Ayan.
Saan pa yung camera? Bini ay. Grabe.
To our bashers.
Ay. No.
Hindi. Thank you.
Hinuli ko talaga to. Kakatapos ko lang ng like, ilang ko na to. 8 na reaction video ko na to na sunod-sunod. So parang hinuli ko talaga siya kasi alam ko magiging emotional ako for today's video. And pag gumawa kasi ako ng reaction video, once na naging emotional na ako, tuloy-tuloy na yan siya. So parang madadala ko na siya hanggang the rest of the day. Kaya iniiwasan ko talagang gumawa ng reaction video ng medyo mabigat. Anyways, go.
And totoo kasi pero totoo hindi po siya madali to see all the bashing and the hating, all the negativity.
Pero,
Hindi siya madali.
ay.
Masakit siya, pero you know what? Thank you kasi that's what motivates us to keep pushing, to be stronger, and to really give out our all. And at least that's something na we can turn to something great. And minsan man
I love that, ah.
nakaka-test talaga siya, super, and masakit siya, pero
Sakit talaga.
it also
Sakit talaga, dear. Tao lang din naman kahit
allows
ako
us to
nasasaktan nga eh.
look at all the brighter things in life and
Mga comments
the many
minsan.
things that we could be grateful for. And thank you kasi ayun, sa mga bashers, ang sakit niyo magsalita, pero thank you pa rin, pero
Hindi dapat always choose to be kind talaga. Always choose to be kind
baka
talaga.
ako na to sa Twitter. Hindi, ayun,
Always choose to be kind talaga.
kasi
Libre lang naman yan.
parang mas lalo ako tuloy na nagkaka-purpose kung bakit it's always nice to be loving kasi ang daming hate, ang daming negativity. So parang you get to see all of it and it makes you have that purpose to keep doing good because people need that love. People
True.
need that kindness. And us being here, being walo, being complete as 8, it shows how strong we are together. Kasi ang dami yung pinagdaanan na
So this is the full, pala. Konti lang kasi narinig ko kagabi. Kahapon nang gumawa ako ng reaction video.
Mas marami pang hindi namin pinapakita na mas masakit pa. But we are strong.
Yeah.
And ang strong
Oh.
namin kasi
I cannot
yung
stand.
mga
I cannot stand this. Ang lala.
We're strong because we know we can
Ko doon
do
pa lang
it.
sa 3 years, sa training ninyo, tapos hindi
Mas
agad kayo
nasa-strengthen pa namin ang
bloom
bonding
talaga.
sa isa't isa, yung skills
Strong na kayo
namin
doon,
in
actually.
general with how we're gonna be in the future. So I also wanna thank our future selves kasi there's gonna be more pa in the future. It's gonna be exciting. There's gonna be a lot of ups and downs, but at least we are all complete and it's either walo or wala.
It's either wala or wala. I love that. So meaning to say, walang may aalis. Ay, hindi pala siya naka-auto-scroll.
Our bashers.
Ay, it's walo or wala. I love that. Ay, ito si Sheena. Ang ganda, alam mo, nakukumaling talaga ako lately kay Sheena. Ang ganda ni Sheena.
Blooming as ever, of course, the youngest member at Bunso.
The bunso.
And Sir Rocky is welcoming her with a bouquet of flowers.
Hindi ko ginagawan yung full talaga kasi ang hirap i-edit pag full. May copyright siya.
Please make your way towards the center of the stage. Dito tayo sa gitna. Yes.
Joanna.
With her own bouquet as well.
In fairness, mahal na ng ng ABS ang bankable na eh. Nun talaga.
Parang natatawa lang si Mika, parang hindi siya makapaniwala sa nangyayari.
Talaga.
Yes, this is happening, Mika. Kindly receive your flowers by Mr. Rickon. And now, let's... Kindly make your way to the stage.
Ay, dinamdam ko talaga yung kay Pwede ba natin to skip? Dinamdam ko talaga yung kay Aya.
The Beanie Girls have established themselves
Mm-mm.
not just as entertainers, but also a role
Model for you. You, true.
With that, Pep.ph give this award for 2024 most influential under K-pop phenomenon
Wow.
category, the nation's girl group, Beanie.
So I thank Pep.ph for giving us this award, Most Influential 2024. Di ba biruin nyo?
Biruin nyo.
Pahabol pa, may pahabol na award pa tayo for 2024. And this 2025, wait for more
Yes,
opportunities
go.
and more
Excited ako sa
influence.
comeback. Sa totoo lang.
What is influence?
Well, for us, influence is yung impact mo sa tao. Kung
Exactly. Kaya, totoo yan, Maloy. Kahit hindi mo pa tapos, alam ko na yung pipunto mo kasi matalino ka. I don't consider TikToker na mga nagsispread ng mga kung ano-ano as influencer. Siguro, endorser, but calling influencer, me, myself, I am not calling myself as a vlogger because I am not vlogging. I am content creator. I am just a content creator. So, basically, hindi pag nakikringe ako pag may mga friends ako, ito na yung vlogger nating friend. Nakikringe ako, cringy talaga siya sa feeling kasi parang hindi ako vlogger. I am a content creator. Kaya medyo na din ako na paano mo matatawag na influencer yan? Ang isang bagay, ang mga tao nagsispread ng hate, nagsispread, nagpo-promote ng sugal. Paano? Siguro influence, bad influence, ganun. Well, pinangunahan ko doon si Maloy. Meron talaga. Meron talaga. Don't give up, isa yun. Never give up pala. Charis. Long grammar naman pa. Eme.
Thank you, Jeffrey. Thank you, Bob.
Okay. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Beanie. Ay, ito. Chill lang siya.
Promise.
Ay, ito na, hindi ko ito napanood.
Of course, we would also like to thank to Team Beanie. Thank you so much to all our staff, utility, to our glam team, hair and makeup artists, to our stylist, Miss Aika Villanueva, our coaches, voice coach, dance coaches, to our road manager, to our executive producer, and of course to our manager, Miss N.Q. Malyari. Thank you so much po. Sila po yung kasama namin from the very start. Kasama namin makulong sa Beanie House. Sila po yung nag-guide, nagmahal, nagtiwala sa amin. Sila yung nagbigay ng advices sa amin ng mga times na wala pa kaming kamuwang-muwang dito sa
Industry.
sahak po namin. Kaya thank you so much for your guidance.
Grabe naman yung pagka-genuine dito ni, very genuine dito si Gwen.
Pasado sa Try Not to Cry Challenge.
Try not to cry challenge.
Ito feeling ko
Siguro dahil umiyak sila because, ay si Colette. Hindi ko ito na nga. Uy, first time kong makita si Colette na iiyak. Ay, hindi pala.
Hindi, wag na lang ako mag-thank you pala. I-message ko na lang kayo. Basta, I love you all. Thank you.
Colette.
Yun lang, I love you lang. I love
Colette, ang ganda ng kanta niyang puhon, no? Iyak ako. Iyak si Akla.
More! I-message ko na lang kayo.
More pa, Colette. Hindi niya kaya magbe-breakdown. Magbe-breakdown. Okay na. Napindot si si Inger.
Hala, dito ako maiiyak.
Ay, Colette.
Okay. Hindi, wag na lang ako
Si
mag-thank you.
Akla. Iyak
I-message
talaga
ko
si
na lang
Akla,
kayo.
promise.
Basta, I love you all. Thank you sa pag...
God.
Yun lang, I love you lang. I love you all. Yun lang.
More, please.
More! I-message ko na lang kayo. Okay na.
Huwag
Okay na po
napindot.
ako. Salamat po.
Napindot si Anger. Ay, bakit walang audio si ate girl? Ay, 49 minutes to OA. Ang OA, this is the upload. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Magkakaroon pa tayo ng part 2. Ng part 2 ng kanilang contract signing. Ang lala pala talaga nito. This is KGM Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!